Hello students, this is the third part of our Introduction to Literary Theory second, and its third part is Cultural Studies. So this Cultural Studies, this is the third part. So in this part we were learning about historical background. So today we are going to learn on page number 195, second line. In the middle, he defined the essence. From here, we are going to start today. He defined. He, it means Matthew Arnold. He was the person who put forth the model of internal culture and external culture, and he was in favor of particularly internal culture. So Matthew Arnold defined. Define it means to state or explain the precise meaning of the essence. Essence, it means nature of a thing, of cultures as sweetness and light. So Matthew Arnold, in his book Culture and Anarchy, explained the meaning that the essence of culture, it means the nature of culture, is sweetness and light. The essence adequate. Adequate, it means recommend or support. The essence, this nature of culture adequate, support the pursuit. Pursuit, it means to chase or the action of chasing. This essence advocated the pursuit of beauty and wisdom and moral and social passion for doing good for others. So this essence, this nature of culture support the pursuit. It means chasing or doing anything for others, particularly beauty and wisdom of others, moral and social passion for others. This is the essence, nature of internal culture mode. Arnold most, yes, Arnold's model was very much in tune with, in tune with, it means having melody. Having melody. In tune with the traditional assumption. Assumption, it means consider of culture as a process of human development. So, Arnold's this model was very much having melody with traditional assumption or consideration that the culture is the process of human development. If there is a culture, so there is a definite human development we can see in that area. It emphasizes, emphasis it means give more stress, more importance. Cultivation, cultivation it means in the last part I have told you meaning of this word. Cultivation it means try to acquire or develop a quality or a skill. To refined behavior, refined it means elegant and culture. To refine behavior, mind and society. So Matthew Arnold was giving more importance for the cultivation. Cultivation it means trying to get new qualities. For example, refined behavior, cultured behavior, elegant behavior, a mind, elegant mind and elegant society, culture, mind. He regarded culture. Regard it means consider in a particular way. He regarded culture as a passage to perfection. Passage it means road, way or journey. Passage to perfection, beauty and wisdom. So, according to the Matthew Arnold, culture is the road or journey to be perfect, to the beauty and to the wisdom. Wisdom it means the quality of having good knowledge or judgment. The attainment it means accomplished. The attainment of culture is possible only by a person of high status, standard and interest. So this we can accomplish, we can achieve only if the people in the society were having high taste, high standard and interest. The concept of culture therefore was elitist. Elitist it means a group of people superior in society. The attainment of sorry, the elite is exclusive. Exclusive it means a person not willing to mix with others and against ordinary people. So his concept of culture therefore was elitist. So it was only made for the group of people so who are superior in the society and the people who do not want to mix with ordinary people, and this was against the ordinary people. So students, in this way this part ends here. We are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Take care all of you. Thank you very much.